What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be going through the top setups that I'm personally watching for the upcoming week, give you my levels, kind of give you my game plan going into the upcoming week. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First off on the list is SPY. This is an ETF, a very popular ETF to trade among day traders using options, small account friendly. Let's get right into this. This is a long level. I typically like to catch rejects or pullbacks, but this above 375.45 on SPY looks good for calls. You can see my price targets here. Do have a nice bullish candle. We'll see how it plays out this week. We'll see how the futures open today as well. Keep in mind, if you're day trading, me personally, I would day trade this level because we're already in leaps at inside team bull with options. So, if we continue on, there should be a very nice payday. But if you're trading options, I wouldn't go no further out than, $2-3 away from the current price of SPY when picking your strike price for your options. And I do not trade same day expiration. For example, tomorrow, I'm not going to trade Monday expiration. I'll be trading Wednesday expiration, if that helps you all out. People say, Grizzly, which way is the market going? Are we going up? We got more room to pull down? And the truth is, I don't know. As a day trader, it really doesn't matter to me. I'm going to make money regardless of what the market does. Long term, I'm bullish, of course. I continue to invest just like you should. I definitely feel like there's a lot of stuff on sale right now. Please do your own research on that. But let's take a look at QQQ here, another ETF that we trade using options, small account friendly as well. You can trade SPY or QQQ, whichever one you prefer. But I do like this QQQ above 277.21 for calls for a trade to the upside. It does have a little room, at least to 280 there. Now, be sure you know how to manage your risk on these trades. When I'm trading breakout trades, I like the 9 EMA on the 5-minute time frame be my guide. So if we take this breakout trade to above 277.21 on QQQ, if we pull back and break below that 9 EMA on the 5-minute time frame, I'm just going to take a small loss, get out of that trade, wait for a possible better entry. That's kind of how I manage my risk on breakout trades. Hope that helps you all. Apple. Now, I do like this setup, but they do have earnings. Keep in mind, when I'm trading all this, I'm watching, like the SPX or the ES. I've been trading futures lately. Let me touch on that just for a second. A lot of people have been asking me to create a futures trading video, and I plan on it. I'm actually going to start working on it this week. And people ask me, do I trade funded or unfunded accounts? Well, I have one on Thinkorswim that is, my own money. But right now, I'm opening funded accounts through Apex. The link is in my bio at grizzlytrades.com. I'll leave it in the description with a discount code. These are fully funded. You pass a simple evaluation, no credit check or nothing like that. They have all the educational videos there. It's pretty basic and easy to get through. Check it out if that's something you're interested in. I think they have like $25,000 accounts all the way up to $300,000 accounts. You can open up to 20 accounts and link them together to copy each other's trades. So, for instance, if you had 20 accounts open, you made $100 on one trade, which is very easy to do with futures because, $1 move on the ES is $50 profit. So, let's say you get $100 and you make 100 on a trade. If you have 20 accounts open, that's 20 times 100 if you got it linked together to copy the trades. Be sure you use my code. I got a code and everything. I am an affiliate. The code will get you like half off there. You pay a monthly subscription to use their account. It's only like 100 and something. It's less than that if you use my code. But yeah, check that out. I like this Apple above 147.85 for calls. You can use 150 calls, whatever you prefer. But the real level to watch is above this 149, 150 area. Get above that, I think we could see some continuation to the upside. We'll just have to see once we get there, but we will be ready. Again, be cautious. They will be a little expensive. The premiums will be jacked up due to increasing IV, implied volatility, on the contracts due to earnings. So just keep that in mind. Amazon. I really like this Amazon above this 119.6 level. You can wait on 120 if you would like. The solid area to get calls. I think we see that 123 area if we can break above that and hold with good volume. Again, when you're trading stocks like this, I like to trade options at the money. So for me, the 120 call would probably be what I'd use for a break above 119.6. These are all going to be day trades for me. Would like to turn them into swing trades. You just have to know how to manage that sort of position. I will not be doing so myself. And as always, I hope you all are in Team Bull trading with me live every single morning. If you're not, you need to come join us. It's been insane week last week. Also, if you want a free watch list, check out my Instagram live every morning. You can find my link at grizzlytrades.com to Instagram. We go live there every morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Come vibe. I show you my watch list, give you the game plan for the day, and I look at stocks for you all. As always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.